Hello everyone. 8 plus 2 multiplied by 3 squared minus 16 divided by 4. So to solve this equation, we must remember the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. Where P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, and D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So this is also to be done. The order of operation is first we do the parentheses, then we do the exponents, then we do the multiplication and division from left to right because they have similar priority, and the last one we do addition and subtraction. In our case, what we need to do first is parentheses. We have 8 plus 2. Here we put equals 10. Then we have the exponents. 3 squared is 9. Therefore, we have the following. 10 multiplied by 9 minus 16 divided by 4. So now what we have here, we are already on the third level of order of operation, which is multiplication and division. Therefore, we do it from left to right. So in this case, what we have 10 multiplied by 9 is 90 minus, because we have division has priority over subtraction, therefore we do first division. Easier would be if you would put a bracket, so it's easier to visualize it. So 16 divided by 4, we have 4, and the answer is 86. 90 minus 4 is 86. So this is the correct answer, guys. So first, remember, you follow the order of operation. You do first the parentheses if you have. If you don't have, you skip it. You do the exponents if you have. If you don't have, you skip it. Then multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. Thank you very much. Please hit the like button and subscribe. It will help the channel. Ciao, ciao.